Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create bottom navigation bar by using Google Navbar package, in Flutter. I've created this new Flutter project and I've opened it on VS Code, and let's open up the main.dart file and let's delete this stateless widget. Okay, create new stateless widget here. Okay, change the class name to my app. Okay, save it, and first of all let's create new file. Let's say home, say root script dot file. And here let's create a stateful widget. Let's change the class name to root screen, and here let's return scaffold. Okay, now save it and open up the uh, main.dart file, and here let's return material app. Okay, give the home that root screen now. Okay, we'll get this blank white screen, and let's remove this debug panel by making this debug uh, debug show check mode panel inside this material app. Okay, let's change this property to false and to remove this banner. Okay, now let's close this main.dart file and open up the root screen. Okay, now go to the pop.tab and search for Google Navbar, and you will get this package over here, which has like 53.3K downloads for now. Click on this package. Okay, click on this installing tab. Okay, now copy this command or copy this or add to the dependency in the pubspec.yml file. I'm going to run this command in the terminal of my project directory in the VS Code over here. Okay, if you open up this pubspec.yml file over here, as you can see, this new package has been added to our Flutter project. Now open up this root screen, and here let's give the bottom navigation bar, this one, bottom navigation bar property to the scaffold, and type g nav. Okay, and for the item, for the tabs, as you can see, is the list of G button. So we have to give the G button. Click on this readme tab and roll down. As you can see, we have G buttons. Okay, so copy this. You do not have to copy, just type here G button. And for the icon, let's keep icons dot home. And this G button has also this text property. Let's keep this home. Okay, let's copy this G button and paste it few more times. Okay, let's say here likes. Let's say here favorite. Right here sorts. Let's change this to sorts. And here let's say settings. Let's change this to settings. Okay, now let's see how it's going to look in the emulator. As you can see, it's looking like this now. Okay. Okay, now let's decorate it. Okay, let's keep the gap over here inside the GNAP, which will create the gap between this icon and home. Let's keep the gap 7. Okay, as you can see, it created the gap here. Maybe let's change this to 5. Okay. Now, also let's copy this. Okay, ripple color. It is the tab button ripple color when pressed. Okay, this will change the color on pressing on this. Let's paste it here. Let's change this to create dot set font and let's. Okay, as you can see the ripple color now. Okay, we have the hover color also. You can use that. Let's use this tab border radius color. Border radius. Instead of that, let's use this tab active border. First of all, let's use this tab active border. Let's copy this. This is the active border color. Okay, paste it here. And as you can see, active color is looking like this now. Copy this also. It's a tab button border. Let's paste it here. Okay. If you want to show the inactive border, you can use this tab border. Okay, let's change this to set 300 and let's see. Okay, now it looks like this now. Okay, now let's change this tab border radius. But there, should create the border radius like this. To the tab. Okay. You can change the icon size. Okay, let's give the color. Okay, okay, let's change the color. This one, active color, purple. Okay, active color will look like this. Let's change this to green also. Okay, let's copy this and this will change the inactive color. Okay, colors dot set 300 and let's see how it's going to look. Okay, 200. Okay, you can put the duration if you want. Okay, you can use the padding. Let's keep the padding. Here you go. Horizontal 5. Let's skip the horizontal 20 and let's see. 40. Okay, you can adjust the padding by using this padding property. Okay, if you want to use, I'm just keeping it as default. Okay, let's keep the space between this below this CNAP. So let's go wrap this with the size box. Let's keep the height of no, you do not have to keep the height. Let's keep the okay. Let's change this size box with the container, and here let's keep the padding. Let's set 20 to the bottom, like 20, and let's say 25. Okay, now it's looking good. Let's keep the padding to the right, right 10, and left right 10 to. Okay, now it's looking good. Okay, now let's create the pages in the folder. Let's say uh, home page dot that source page dot that and contact favorite page dot that settings dot that. Okay, now let's create a stateless widget here and let's change this to settings. And here in the let's return center with the side text right here settings page. Okay, now let's copy this and paste it here. Let's change the setting to favorite page and also paste it to another page and let's change this setting again to source page and to the home page also. Let's paste it. Right. Okay, now come to the root screen. Now below this tab you can put the on tab change. Okay, this will give the new value and we have this selected index value. Let's keep 2 for example. Okay, as default it will select the 2 if you put the 2 and if you put the 3 by default it will select this. Okay, okay, let's make it dynamic. So up here let's initialize it in selected index equals to, let's say as default it's a 0 home page and we have 4 pages. So let's keep the selected index class first. Okay, we have 4 pages, so let's keep it in the list. Let's import those pages home page. We have the favorite page, source page. Okay, put it accordingly and settings page. Okay, now it's a new value, so we have to change the state. Okay, now let's put this selected index, this new value. Okay, like this, and to this container. Now let's put the with the body to the scaffold, and we have the pages list, and keep the selected index like this. Okay. Okay, now let's click on this. Everything is working fine. Okay, okay, let's give the background color also here. If you want to keep the background color. So to keep the background color inside this CNAP, you can give this property background color, and you can give the color here. Let's give the colors dot green, and let's see, and so look like this. Okay, let's set this to white. Okay, now our tab bar is looking prettier also. Okay, you can see other the documentation, other thing to change the design of this snap bar. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.